my curlies. Erica here from Coils and Curls. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. Thank you for joining me. For today's challenge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Babassu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream and Mousse on my left side, but I'm going to use the Mielle Organics detangling brush that they sent me and see if I can help smooth the canopy a little bit more. On the other side, I'm just going to rake it in using my hands and see if there's a difference. Because of course, I did not get to my professional beauty supply store to get the Denman brush. So their detangling brush is going to have to do. I have already shampooed and conditioned. When I use their conditioner from the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line, I find that because the conditioner is so thick, when I do start to apply it, I add a little bit of water to help emulsify it and thin it out. And I find that my hair really sucks it up and likes it. So if anyone does try the Mielle Organics line, know when you use the conditioner, add a little water to help thin it out. It really helps it go a little further. Just an FYI. I put in the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger hair butter to just kind of keep my hair hydrated so it didn't start to dry too much, but I did it in soaking wet hair. Before we start putting in the product, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you to everyone who has. I really appreciate you. Make sure you share me with all of your friends and family, because even if they don't have curly hair, they know someone who does. There's a lot of us out there. So I appreciate it. Thank you in advance. And now let's kick off the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Challenge. I did soak my hair, and I think what we'll do, how much should Erica use? Now they do say section. Maybe I should section my hair. I'm gonna say it's about the size of a $50. And we are going to rake it through. To start, make sure I get it at the scalp to control any frizz that will want to start. Make sure I have it all back here because I'm not used to applying my product like this. I seem to miss the back a lot. Now for the curl mousse. I'll use 3 pumps for this section. It definitely makes it easier to rake through, and it definitely makes it wetter for the next section. Same amount. Get it to the scalp and the part so we make sure Erica is sufficiently covered. Three pumps of the mousse. Definitely dripping all over. I put a towel down, but apparently the water is flinging from the ends of my hair and it's making little white drops all over my floor. Now, ooh, you should see it. I don't know if you can hear it. What I want to do is I want to try to get some height while still smoothing the canopy. Okay. I do have to say I am liking my hair parted in the center more than I used to. Not sure why. All right, while it's dripping, look at my hands, they're soaked. Things are falling, things are flying. Hair is dripping. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the other side where I'm just gonna finger comb everything through. I think I'm gonna use a little less on this side and see the difference in feeling. So that's about half the amount. And again, I forgot to pull the section up. Half the amount. And 1.5 pumps of the mousse instead of 3. Now to the top section. Getting it at the part to try to prevent my halo. 1.5. At the top, raking it through, because as the water drips, it's going to bring the rest of the product down. Now, I'm going to, wow, what a mess on my floor. All of the product that got strewn all over my floor, along with the dog. I'm going to flip and scrunch, and when I come back, we'll take a look at it. I took a look at the curls and kind of fixed some of them, and I'm gonna let you guys take a look before I blow dry. So this is the side where I used the brush, and I did use the brush when I was off camera to try to help keep them a little bit more smooth. So take a look at the one side, still split down the middle, and this is the side where I finger raked. I'm going to go blow dry. I will flip over and blow dry them exactly the same, and we'll see what they look like when we come back. Surprise, surprise. Lemonade and tequila with a splash of grenadine and a cute straw. So the hair is completely dry. It has not a hard cast to it. It's kind of a softer cast, but there is still a slight cast. There's a little frizz, but not a lot. It's not too bad. I'm okay with it. Let's take a look, see if anyone else notices a difference. This was the side I used the brush. The back is still sort of separate. And this was the side that I just raked with my fingers. So now the decision is, what do I decrunchify with? I need to use something, but not sure what to use. So I think we'll use the Alafia Curl Hydrating Oil. Let's do 2 squirts, and we'll do the ends and work our way up. I don't think I need more than 2. Time will tell, huh? Okay. So I'll flip and fluff, and I'll be right back. Make sure I got the back. It's full. We like full. We like volume. I did cut some of my hair, not all of it, but just some of it the other day. And I think I made these front pieces too short because my hair was not freshly done, which is why I tell clients before a haircut, you want your hair freshly done. Otherwise, the cut isn't level and even for how your hair normally will look. It's that first day when it's fresh and everything is perfectly formed as the way your hair is, that's when you want to do a dry cut. And I did not do what I tell all my clients to do. Have your hair freshly done before you come to me. But no, Erica doesn't listen to herself. Now I pay the price. So, what do we think? We'll see what it looks like in the morning and what I decide to do to refresh it, and then we'll see how it holds up for the second day, because at this point I think it's 5:30 here, so the rest of the day is kind of a quiet evening, not much to mess your hair up with and not as much humidity. Have a good night, my curlies. Cheers and ciao for now. I am getting to you early, so before I go outside and start working and cutting back ivy, I figured I would check in. I am still on my first cup of coffee, so I'm tired. This is how it held up through the night. It was standing up a little more. I did push it down before I walked the dog. So this is how the hair held up. I think the side where I used the brush seems to have slightly more definition, and the left side is the side I sleep on. The right side I just did finger. I'm going to tame it down with the white peony leave-in conditioner, just so that it doesn't frizz and it looks a little more fresh. It shouldn't take much. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out, because people ask me all the time about pieces that don't always curl properly, and I found one. Where did it go? Was it this? Oh, here, maybe it was this one. All the way back here. So when that happens, no one else is going to notice but you. Don't worry about it. Now to flip, get some volume going, and I'll be back. I can do a clip, and that would help to reduce the visual of the part, but I'm not going to bother with that. I'm going to be outside working, so waste of time. Let's see how it looks. Hi, Portia. I'm coming, puppy. It held up nicely. I don't see a lot of frizz, just a little, and some weird curls that are laying strangely, but no one else notices but me. We'll see how it holds up for the day. The puppy. We'll see how it holds up for the day while I'm outside working. But I will check in at the end of the day and we'll see what it looks like, unless I pull it back and then all bets are off. Till tomorrow. Maybe. I'll probably be showering tonight after sweating outside, so might have to redo the hair. I'll let you know. Ciao for now. I'm outside working and it is very hot. As you can see, the hair is already starting to frizz and I'm filled with pollen. I will be showering later, so I'll have to redo the hair. But here's my yarn. At least some of it. This is probably the end of this week's video. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate it. Again, I'm waiting for that morning when I wake up and I see 30 likes. That'll be exciting. I'm up to 77 subscribers, so thank you so much. Have a great weekend, my curlies. Bye. Okay, that was a little too much. So I'm gonna take a little out and put it on the side. But, oh yes, you can see my nails. I don't know, I was feeling adventurous.